Hello guys, today we are going to discuss one C program. We need to tell whether a triangle can be formed or not based on angles. Okay, in this question we need to tell based on angles. Now first I will tell the logic behind this. For example, if this is a triangle and we need to tell whether we will be given with three angles, right? This is one angle and this is one angle and this is one angle. So we have totally three angles. Based on these three angles, we need to tell whether triangle can be formed or not. The main concept is, if for example think this angle is A and this angle is B and this angle is C, if sum of these angles, if sum of these angles is equal to 180 degrees, then we can tell that the triangle can be formed, or else the triangle cannot be formed. Okay, for example, think we are given with some angles like 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Now, what is the sum? 30 plus 60 is 90. Again, 90 plus 90 is 180. So, both are equal, right? If the sum is equal to 180 degrees, then triangle can be formed. For example, think 45 plus 45 plus 90. So, if three sides are 45, 45, 90, the sum of three angles is again 180. So, triangle can be formed. If example think 30, 40, 30. What is the answer? 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 30, 100. So 100 is not equal to 180. So triangle cannot be formed. So this is the normal logic for telling whether a triangle can be formed or not based on the angles. If you consider, similarly I wrote these lines in algorithm just to tell that, for example, think we are given with three angles A, B, C as per our assumption in the before as we did A, B, C. We need to read it from the user, right? The user will give three values, and if sum of these three values equal to in C language, if you want to check whether this sum is equals to 180 or not, we need to use double equal to. It is an comparison operator. We will tell if it is equal to 180 degrees, we will print the triangle can be formed, or else not a triangle, means triangle cannot be formed. Let us check with one example. Think A, B, C three values. We are given with, for example, 30, 60 and 90. Okay. Now here read ABC. We had read ABC and the values are 30, 60, 90. Okay. Now after that, what is there? If A plus B plus C, what is A plus B plus C? 30 plus 60 plus 90. So sum of these values is equals to 180. So equal to 180. So it is true. So it will print triangle can be formed. Okay, this is the working of the algorithm. Now I will execute this with using C language, a C program I will write. I am using online GDB compiler, so it is working fine. Now, first of all, what we need to do? We need to declare three variables. So A, B, C. So again, I need to ask the user to enter the angle, right? So printf, using print, enter the angle. Yeah, just I am asking first angle row, first angle 1. So, and I need to store in here, right? So I am using scanf to reading that value and storing in A. Similarly, I need to write for BC also. Instead of writing again, I am just copying for simplicity instead of writing again. Okay. 1 minute. See, same angle. Instead of second time, I need to store in B. Third time, I need to store in C, right? And for user, I need to tell that enter angle 2. Again here, enter angle 3. I hope everything is clear. First, I am asking enter angle 1 and I am storing in A. And again, I am asking angle 2 and I am storing in B. Again, I am asking angle 3 and I am storing it in C, right? After that, what we need to do? If A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, then what I need to print? Triangle can be formed. Okay, triangle can be formed, right? Or else what happens? Triangle cannot be formed, right? So triangle cannot be formed. Okay, this is the program, right? As per the algorithm, I converted every line into program. So this is the C program. Now I will run the program. See, enter the angle 1. We know one test case 30, 60, 90. 30, 60, 90. Now what is the answer? Triangle can be formed. So I am entering. See, it is telling that triangle can be formed. So hence our program is correct. Now I will check one for wrong case. Okay. For example, think 20, 30 and 10. So with this triangle cannot be formed, right? See, we are getting triangle cannot be formed. It is working good for every positive case. It is giving triangle can be formed. If it is a wrong, it is telling the triangle cannot be formed. Hence our program is correct. If you have understand this program, please give a like and a comment so that it will motivate me to make some more videos. And if you like this program and if you want any program, in case if you want, you can ask me in comment. I will make a video on it. Okay. I hope everything is clear. Thank you for watching.